back to the channel and welcome back to yet again another video. I know it's been a while. It's probably been 6 months or so since the last time I uploaded a video, and it's probably been longer since I filmed one. But anyways, today we are back with the kind of content that you guys have subscribed for, which is, you know, everything fashion, designer, and all that good jazz, but for the absolute low. So today I have 2 bags that I'm going to be showing you in this video. As you guys saw by the thumbnail, one is an LB bag, the other one is a Goyard. I've never owned a Goyard, so I'm pretty excited for that one. And before I show you the bags, I want to remind everybody to go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page. That is where I post way more often than I do here on YouTube. I do post fashion related content, so if you guys are interested on seeing, you know, more about my content in a shorter form, head to Instagram. That's where, you know, you'll find all of that. Also, any questions, I will answer them through Instagram, and also my profile has a link where most of the questions you guys will have should be there. Now, without any more talking, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm gonna talk about the packaging first. So this bag came in a poly mailer. Now the bag itself was bubble wrapped, very good. So the bag didn't suffer any damages at all. I was surprised that they sent it in a poly mailer, but again, it is the cheapest way to mail things, and also the most discreet way as well. So as you guys can see, this one is an LB. This is the dust bag that it comes in, and it comes just like that. Go ahead and take this out. I haven't taken anything out of it. Now for this bag, I went ahead and chose it because of the two-tone color. Now, I'm not a purse person, and I was hoping that this could be converted into more of like a side bag, but I don't see how I would do that because I don't, oh well, we'll figure that out here in a second. I think I saw something. So anyways, on one side we have this dark color, the classic LB, you know, brown, and then on the other side, I really like this. I believe this is a reversed monogram something. I don't know the name, but I'll put the info on the screen. We have some details here on the side, and as you guys saw, the inside is red. It has a bunch of paper as well. So inside, there are some shoulder straps that are way longer than obviously these are just to carry on your hands, but these are actually to put on your shoulder like this. Now again, I'm not a purse person, so to my taste, these would need to be a bit longer. So I don't know if I can figure that out later, but most likely I will. Okay, so as you guys can see, the straps also have the LB pattern. They're pretty thin and stiff, but obviously it might be because it's brand new, so I just have to break them in. And it's pretty cool that you know, they are two-tone just like the bag. So on the side where the bag is this bright brown, the strap is the dark brown, and it's nice. And then on the other side where the bag is dark, brown, the strap is this light brown to match the letters. And let's take a quick look in the inside. It's pretty flat, very spacious. Now right here, for you to probably hang your keys, we've got a zipper. I would say it's pretty good. Pockets, you do have some additional spots right here for you to put things, and you do have the LB patch right there. Really pretty bag. no regrets on picking this one at all. Alrighty, so the next bag is a Goyard bag, or purse, I guess we can call it. It came in this nice green box. Now the box came packed in a polymer as well, so that's why the box isn't in the best shape. Personally, I think I might keep the box. It's not entirely trashed, so I will be keeping the box and displaying it somewhere here in my studio, but for now I just want to show you the box. It does have this texture. I don't know how to describe it, honestly. I apologize, but the quality of the box itself is really nice, and I'm surprised that these are the only damages that it took, being that it comes from very far and it only had a polymer. And of course it was also bubble wrapped, so that helped, but still, being a box. So here on the side, it has this label. The box also opens like this. It has a magnetic closure. You can see here the magnets. Okay, I'm gonna bring down the ISO just a little bit over here. So the bag comes in this dust Goyard bag. Let's go ahead and take it out. And here we have it in all its glory. This black colorway, super pretty, super pretty. I hope the camera does justice of how beautiful this bag looks. I'm glad I picked the black one, and I did it just so that I could wear it with a ton of outfits. On the sides, it's actually, correction, this is more like a charcoal gray. So it looks black from certain angles on the front, but here on the sides, definitely this is a charcoal gray right here. And this one has chain straps. Okay, well, despite the fact that that took a lifetime to remove, here we have it. The length is almost the same as the other bag, so again, this would be sort of an issue for me, but hey, it doesn't matter, I'll still wear it. As a matter of fact, after this video, I have to film 2 Instagram reels of how I'm going to be styling these bags. So again, make sure you follow my Instagram if you want to see how that goes. On the top, these are just like leather charcoal straps. They don't have any branding on it. I am going to be removing these ones here. It doesn't look good, and they're not meant to stay. Now for the inside, we have a little bit of space, you know. We have this divider. Let's check the zipper. Alright, zipper, good. Ooh! Look at that yellow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that thing is yellow. And it's pretty soft in the inside. Now at the bottom, your hand could go through. Just keep that in mind. So this isn't actually like a solid divider, but hey, it will keep your stuff organized. Alrighty guys, and that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much, you know, to the company that sent out these 2 bags for me to review. I really love them, and I'm very happy that I have added them to my collection, which, by the way, I am thinking about making a video about my designer bag collections. Most of them are from different places, but the purpose of the video itself is to show you that these bags do last a long time as long as you know how to take care of them. The same thing with sneakers. A lot of people have asked me, do they last? And the answer is yes. Most of these sneakers, I bought them when my channel started to take off, like these shoes right here. You know, these shoes are OG. These were one of the first videos I posted, and they're still here. They're still pretty clean, pretty nice, and it's because I take care of my things no matter what. So anyways, stay tuned for those videos. I made a somewhat small list of things that I want to film for you guys, so subscribe if you haven't. I apologize, I've been gone for so long. I wish I could tell you all about it, but unfortunately we don't have much time. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you from the top and bottom of my heart. Shout out Jacob Star. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.